Dead battery again. Most car batteries last 3 to 5 years. But what if I told you there's a secret that can make it last 10 years or more? In today's video, I'll show you exactly what to do to keep your battery strong, healthy, and lasting for a decade using simple tools you already have at home. Let's jump right in. Section 1: Why batteries fail early. The number one reason car batteries fail early isn't the brand, it's poor maintenance. Over time, corrosion builds up on terminals, alternators fail to recharge fully, and internal cells dry out from heat. Every time your battery drops below 12 volts and sits there, it loses capacity permanently. The good news, you can stop that process entirely with just a few easy steps. Section 2: The secret maintenance trick. Let's go step by step through the secret maintenance trick that can double or even triple your battery life. Step 1: Clean the terminals. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a cup of water. Dip an old toothbrush, scrub around both terminals, and rinse with clean water. Dry completely, then apply petroleum jelly or dielectric grease to stop corrosion. Step 2: Check voltage monthly. Use a multimeter. A healthy, fully charged battery should read 12.6 to 12.8 volts with the engine off. With the engine running, it should read around 13.8 to 14.4 volts. That means your alternator is charging correctly. Step 3: Top off distilled water. If your battery isn't sealed, check the water level every few months. Only use distilled water, never tap water, and fill just above the plates. Low water means the battery plates overheat and lose life fast. Step 4: Drive long enough to recharge. Short trips drain your battery. Your alternator needs about 20 to 30 minutes of driving to fully recharge. If your car sits often, plug in a battery maintainer or smart trickle charger. That keeps your voltage stable and extends life dramatically. Step 5: Secure the battery properly. A loose battery vibrates, causing internal damage. Make sure it's bolted down snugly, especially if you drive on rough roads. Section 3: Bonus pro tips. Now for a few pro-level secrets most people don't know. Park in the shade. Heat is a silent killer that dries out battery fluid. Clean your alternator area. Dirt buildup causes poor charging efficiency. If your car will sit for more than a month, disconnect the negative terminal or use a maintainer to prevent drain. Avoid running accessories like lights, radio, or AC when the engine's off. Let's recap to make your car battery last up to 10 years. Clean your terminals, check voltage monthly. Top off distilled water, drive long enough to recharge. Keep it tight and corrosion-free. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Driven to Repair, and turn on notifications for more powerful car maintenance secrets.